Hey, I'm Lee Padgett. I'm a product specialist here at Takeuchi. We're going to be doing a walk around on our latest track loader, the TL10V2. It has an operating weight of 10,000 pounds, an ROC of 2,500 pounds, greater lift arm and bucket breakout forces, making this one of the most capable track loaders in its class. Starting at the front of the machine, I want to show you a few of our new changes. We've lowered this cross member and step to be able to have better visibility to your cutting edge or attachment position. We've also rotated this flat face coupler body down to take the pressure off of your hoses. Standard on this machine would be your 1/2 inch flow. You also have 3/4 inch high flow available with secondary auxiliary, pressure relieving valve, 14-pin connector standard with all of these machines. So another new feature you're going to notice on the TL10V2 is our LED lighting package. That's front and rear LED lights. You also have a removable visor that can be replaced if damaged, along with the step and the grab handles. Okay, here on the side you can see our new vertical lift loader design. This is a box frame, fully welded. We have double gussets in this for superior strength and rigidity through these loader arms. We also have the largest boom cylinder in the industry. One thing that makes Takeuchi unique is that all of our track loader frames are purpose-built, fully welded in one piece. That does a couple things for us. That gives us the highest ground clearance in the industry, as well as it lets us keep these loader arms in line with the rear pin and bushing for less wear and tear on this loader arm. Our competition runs the same frame for a skid steer or a track loader, which lets them have to have the chain case underneath, as well as move the loader arms in to allow for the tire. So as we're taking a look at our undercarriage, you're going to notice that same purpose-built philosophy we had in our track loader frame carried right through the undercarriage. All of our undercarriage components are purpose-built for this size class. A lot of other manufacturers run the same size idlers and rollers regardless of machine size. We have 2 integrated cross members fully welded to the frame. We also have a sloped undercarriage design to help with debris removal. We have a double reduction planetary drive giving us the highest tractive effort in the industry, coupled with our double flange track rollers and quiet ride track design, which reduces noise and vibration, improving ride quality as well as operator comfort. So another thing Takeuchi prides itself on is serviceability, and it's never been easier than on the TL10V2. You can see with the cab up, you have great access to all your major service points, remote filter access, hydraulic components, DOC and DPF. We've also moved our high capacity steel hydraulic tank up front with filter inside, as well as the fill up front and sight glass in cab. Here at the rear of the machine you can see we've added a rear view camera to this unit. This comes standard canopy or cab for the TL10V2. We have a large lockable service hood, heavy duty steel door, as well as with this unit we've added a bumper and integrated tie-down points. With the door open you can see our side-by-side cooling pack, which gives you great airflow across both surfaces. To remove this you have 2 bolts which swings open, lets you clean this from either side, as well as gives you access to your fans and your daily service points. The TL10V2 now comes factory equipped with our telematics system, Takeuchi Fleet Management. This allows you to monitor all of the machine vitals remotely for better serviceability of the machine. So moving inside the cab, we're going to go over some of our standard features, which would be a deluxe high back suspension seat. We also have sealed rocker switches down each side for all the loader functions. With this machine, we've also added a hydraulic lock, which will lock out any loader functions if the armbar is raised or the key is cycled off. So another standard feature with all Takeuchi track loaders, including this one, is full pilot controls. A lot of our competition runs electric over hydraulic, which can cause a little lag there and not be as precise. Moving to some of our new features, we have a new 5.7 multifunction color display, which gives you all your machine vitals as well as your rear view camera display, which comes standard on canopy or cab in this model. With the cab model, we've also moved your radio and HVAC controls up front for better visibility and operation. Another feature unique to Takeuchi is our heavy-duty roll-up door. This allows us to do a few things. You can operate this machine with the door up or down, regardless of loader arm position. Where our competition has a swing-out door, if their loader arms get stuck up, they're stuck inside the machine, where ours, you can always exit the machine by rolling the door forward. The visibility out of the TL10V2 is outstanding due to the large rear glass and the sloped rear deck. This also makes for a good egress point in the safety situation. We want to thank you for taking a closer look at the TL10V2 with us today.